Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you my YouTube setup. So let's dive in. So this is my standing desk and I'm loving every second of it, and the workflow is so much better. However, when I'm tired, I just press a button, pull my chair, and I can sit. And when I want to start recording is as simple as pulling my microphone from here to here like this and just press record because the camera is right here. Take the cover of the camera, pull the screen of the camera and press record. And that's it. I can start recording right away. And if I want to do a top shot, I can do it as well with the camera, of course, but I can use my iPhone to record as well. What I have to do is simply engage this arm like so and put it in place like this, and I'm ready to record a top shot. And it's as easy as it gets. So I can move it around as I wish, and I can simply put the iPhone here and start recording. So I can have the camera recording from this angle, the smartphone recording from this angle, and recording the voice at the same time. And to switch from a seated position to a standing position as easy as you can see, and I can continue recording. I just put my chair again below the table like this, and I can continue just doing my thing. So in my tabletop, what I have always is my iPad below the screen. So I just had to just fit my iPad below because normally I use both screens at the same time by doing different tasks. Then I have my Logitech keyboard and mouse. Yeah, very easy without cables. They work perfectly, they're cheap, and they do the job excellent. Then I have my Blue Yeti microphone that I use quite often when I'm doing the voiceovers. I use my Sony ZV-E10 and with the Sigma 24 millimeters lens. Another thing that I have always with me is my headphones, because the fact that I'm in the living room slash dining room slash office, sometimes I'm not alone, so I have the TV running, and if I want to continue doing my stuff here without disturbing, I just use the headsets, the headphones, and I'm all the time with them, and they're a must-have in my setup. And of course, I have my wallet always here because we do a lot of shopping online these days, and you need your credit card right here. So another thing that it's a must-have to have in my office table is the shaker with a lot of water to get hydrated. So another thing that I use always and has been very useful is the Alex storage unit. I love this storage unit. I have it for a long time now, for years, and this one is the one that has my secret drawer. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have a video about how to do a secret drawer in your Alex. So let's see. So I have this drawer, and inside we have another one right here. So I can put a lot of stuff and you don't even notice. And if you open the drawer, you can't even see it. So it's very good. And if you want to know all the specs from my YouTube setup, office setup, these are the specs. So I have the Blue Yeti for the microphone. Then I have the stand, that's a newer DS777. For the camera, I have my Sony V10 with a Sigma 24 millimeters 1.4. Then I have my iPad 4. I have as well for the monitor AOC. Then my PC tower has 16 gigs of RAM with Intel Core E5 8600K My GPU is a GTX 1050 Ti. My drives, I have 4 terabytes. I leave a link for all the hardware that I have down below in the description. And the table is a ErgoMaker electric desk. I have a video dedicated solely on the desk. Then I have my unit, the Alex unit, and then I have my chair. It's a Tossberg chair from IKEA. And yeah, that's it. So if you like this video, let me know in the comments below. If you have any questions, don't forget to ask, and make sure to like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. And when I want